Motphran, a prominent commercial hub with a daily 1,000 of commuters, has long been in need of beautification drive. Recognizing this, the Pariat family, led by Yalon Pariat and her daughter Suzuki Pariat, along with a group of dedicated volunteers, has been conducted regular cleaning drives to ensure the area remains pristine. On Saturday, the family was passionately engaged in cleaning activities. The Motphran area, adorned with numerous vendors numbering between 10 to 15, witnessed the Pariat family's commitment in fostering a cleaner and more appealing environment. Suzuki Pariat, who is also the state BJP Mohila president, expressed her views on the importance of enhancing Motphran's aesthetic appeal. Suzuki Pariat's mother, Yalon Pariat, echoed similar sentiments. She called upon the vendors of the vicinity, numbering between 10 to 15, to actively participate in the initiative and contribute to the beautification of Motphran. Buddha Bhanu Saraswati